তুমি কি ইংরেজি বলতে ভয় পাচ্ছ? তাহলে আমার সাথে এইভাবে প্র্যাকটিস শুরু করো। Hello Priyansi.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I am fine.
Can I start our daily conversation?
Yes,
Where are you going now?
I am going to school.
Which is the name of your school?
The name of our school is Dokhinarnagar High School.
Which class do you read in?
I read in class 6.
Where do your school located?
Our school is located at Orunnagar.
How far is your school from your house?
It is not so far from my house.
When does your school start?
My school start at 10:30 a.m.
Okay. When does your school get over?
My school gets over at 4:30 o'clock daily.
How do you go there? I go to school
by cycle.
by cycle. Thank you. How many students are there in your school?
There are 500 students in our school.
Wow, awesome. How many boys and girls are there in your school?
There are 200 boys and 300 girls in our school.
Excellent. The girls is too much. How many teachers are there in your school?
There are 12 teachers in our school.
What is the name of your headmaster or headmistress?
Our headmaster name is Tapan Kumar Monda.
Okay. What is the name of your class teacher?
Our class teacher name is Navanita Ghosh.
Which is the color of your school uniform?
My school uniform is white shirt and blue skirt.
Is there any playground in your school?
There is a playground in our school.
Do you play there?
Yes, I play badminton my school.
Okay. Do you love your school?
Yes, I love my school very much.
So guys, do you love your school? Answer in the comment box. Okay? Have a nice day. চলো এবার এটা তোমার পালা। তুমি কতগুলো বলতে পারলে কমেন্টে জানাও।